So far, we've learned about engineering simulation software and its vital importance to developing effective products. But where does CAD software fit into this equation? CAD software and engineering simulation software, also known as CAE, are both powerful tools used by designers and engineers around the world. This lesson will cover the basics of CAD and numerical simulation and how they are used in tandem. CAD software has been around for decades, helping engineers design their products without having to draft by hand. Originally, CAD used to only have 2D capabilities. It was used for floor plans, diagrams, and drawing sheet style side views of products. Overall, it was an improvement over by-hand drafting techniques. In recent years, CAD is much more dynamic, as you can model in a 3D space and quickly build and refine your models. CAD software typically has two modes: feature-based parametric modeling and direct modeling. With feature-based modeling, parametric sketches and feature dimensions are used to build up your geometry through a sequence of actions. With direct modeling, there are no interdependencies, so you can manually sculpt your model, almost like working with clay, while still having fine control. Modern CAD software, such as Ansys Discovery, has many powerful tools that allow the user to intuitively design their model. The major tools include Move, Pull, Fill, and Combine. As you can see here, you can quickly build a model from scratch with the power of modern CAD software. Nowadays, CAD is used in partnership with engineering simulation software. Once you create a CAD model, you can bring it into an engineering simulation software such as Ansys Discovery or OnScale Solve to test the viability of the design. In fact, our Ansys Discovery product has built-in CAD capabilities, which allow you to build a model and set up a simulation all in the same software. Exporting a model to a more powerful engineering simulation tool is necessary for getting the high-fidelity results to verify designs. As you can see, bringing in a model and setting up a simulation is quick and easy. The speed and ease that engineering simulation can be applied to a CAD model is a potent combination that allows companies to develop effective products in a quick time frame. Ansys as a company aims to be CAD agnostic. While we have strong CAD software offerings, our main focus is developing the world's best engineering simulation portfolio. In the final lesson of this course, we will get some hands-on experience with engineering simulation software using OnScale Solve.